You know we say how reliable Boris is?
We were ragging the absolute nuts off of Boris for no reason.
And for no reason other than entertainment, and that's it. I love this car. I haven't driven this since we were at Petrol Hedonism. That's it. Have you seen what's on the roof of the TT?
I don't want to look.
Just have a look. Look.
Why is there a shell?
Hi.
Today, innit?
Hop in. Today's the day.
Today is the day.
Yeah.
How excited are you?
How unprepared? I mean, how excited am I? I'm amped. I'm so stoked.
Could we? You're that excited we could juice you?
I'm oozing at the moment.
You're oozing.
It's running out of me.
Oh, how am I going to get in though?
Well, deal with that. We gotta go. Come on. You look very smart considering we're going to a body shop.
Well, we're going to the body shop, which we won't say what we've selected as a colour. I think we will tease that a little bit longer.
Yeah.
We are on our way to Hayes. Shearsby Customs, because today, as we've said, is the day. Oh, it's very dark. It's even worse. Hang on.
Lights.
I don't think that will help the camera, but yeah.
Well, no.
Because today is the day that we're going to do a big old transformation on your dad's farm.
Oh man, this is going to be. I in my whole life. Keep in mind, I'm old as the hills. I've had, I think, 2 cars that I really care about painted. That's not including stuff that I've
Escort?
Yeah, the Escort. And I had a Type 25 camper. Oh
Okay.
no, traffic
care
already.
about
Yeah, which I love.
Friday traffic.
Yeah, exactly. But we're on a bit of a time frame tonight, aren't we? Which everyone's going to see. Well, they won't, but there'll be a reason why later on.
Yeah.
Oh, do we need this? Do we really need this?
No.
This is not
It's
cool.
not good, is it?
No, and I've got to get fuel.
Of course.
I'm ready though.
Yeah, you are ready.
Look how ready I am.
You are so ready. I mean, I don't know. All you've done is start the van, and you're still in your work clubber.
Well, because it was so busy today. I wanted to work on the MR2 today.
If you have the smallest violin, now is the time to play it.
I wanted to work on the MR2 today. That was my plan. I booked the day off work to do the MR2. I got everything there to build it, put it back together, and I had so much work on, and I was like, I'd be a bit of a knob to not work and potentially like compromise what I could earn during the day and do something of my own. That makes sense. So anyway,
This is exciting viewing, isn't it?
There you go. That's the life of Owen.
The life of Owen.
Anyway, so I didn't, and I worked, and now I've been really busy. I haven't got changed for what we're doing after, but the car's strapped down. I've got money in my pocket. The car's going, and then probably 3 months' time, it's going to come back, and it's going to be a showstopper. This time next year. No, well, before that.
Before that, yeah, way before that.
March,
What's
April.
interesting is, when you bought the car, it was bought because it was mechanically buttoned up.
Yeah.
And you were like, yeah, that's what I'm after.
If you look at the video that we released regarding it...
Point somewhere on the screen and we'll put that.
Yeah, how about there? The underpinnings of the car are like tip-top. The guy built it really, really nicely. And the fundamentals are awesome, but the body on top, a little bit rough. Like it's been a bit of a street fighter of a car. I've abused it. I've had some fun this year, but I think it deserves a good paint job, and that's what we're going to do.
That's the start of it. Let me turn on the dogging light. Oh.
Do you expect that to work?
A bit of
Are
me.
you serious?
Well,
this is a 30-year-old Transit diesel.
A bit of me.
Can't believe you'd expect that to work. So anyway, that's the introduction to the video. You're probably getting a bit bored now, but if you're still with us, we're going to be at the...
Stick around.
Stick around. Yeah, we've got stuff to do. And also I've got a new toy for the car, which I'm going to unveil as well. Okay. Yeah, it's big and it blows a lot of air. So.
Oh, okay. Does it suck?
Sucks and it blows. Sounds like a good night. Anyway, on that note, follow us on this wee journey.
Wee journey?
That's me looking at my watch that isn't there.
Is it happening now? Are you happy?
Oh.
Where were you on the night of 16th?
I feel like...
Where were you on the night of 16th?
I feel like the woodlouse when you lift the pavement slab up. It's like, oh,
Right, I'll just soften it off a little bit with the roof.
Don't look directly at it, you man. Look forward.
I'm not. I'm trying to fucking drive, actually.
Quick update.
Quick update. It's dark.
It's dark.
The clock's changed a few days ago, so now it's dark.
We've forgotten it's dark now.
Yeah. Well, it's dark when I leave for work in the morning. It's dark when I get home.
Right. Well, we're nearly there. Is the excitement growing?
Man, I was just saying off camera, wasn't I? I was just saying I haven't been this excited about a car for such a long time. I'm excited about all my cars, but this is one that I'm really changing dramatically, and all my cars have stayed approximately how they look throughout their life, but this is going to be mega.
Should we say to people if they want to comment below what colour it might be?
Yeah, have a comment, tell me what colour you'd like it to see it in, and what colour it is, because it's not going to be painted by the time this comes out, I'm expecting.
No, we'll do updates.
But I have got a colour in mind, and some other stuff, so yeah, it's just going to be mega.
Alright, is it of the era?
Well, I guess it is. No, but it's not, but it's not out. It's not. You would look at it and think, oh, that don't look right on there.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. I just hope people will like it, and I think it's going to look classy, but also a bit of a show car. But
we're not going to come off here.
Have you not got to say that now?
Might. Go across. I
can't. There's a car there.
Well, don't slow down.
Don't slow down.
No, do slow down. Well, go across now.
Well, no, there's someone right next to me.
Well, in a bit, go. Well,
cut him off. I'm going to go in this gap here.
That is the gap.
That's what I'm aiming for, but we don't have massive acceleration.
Go on,
Boris makes a lot more noise when you put the accelerator down. Doesn't necessarily go any faster.
I know someone like that.
And on that note,
we'll catch up at Sheppy Customs.
I haven't driven this since we were at Petrol Hedonism.
Yeah.
I haven't even driven it. The guys have moved it in the yard a couple of times, and that's it.
And now here we are at Sheppy.
Yeah.
And when you see it, the next time you see it, can I say?
Well, I'm hoping to come down in between times.
No, it's not allowed.
Oh, that's it. Just tell them when it's done.
No, that's it. Tell you when it's done, yeah. You can say anything right now. Yeah, exactly. Always something happening, isn't there? That was doing a wheelie then.
Front wheels off the floor.
Right, you got 30 seconds, go.
That's what we do. What do you want me to talk about?
Well, we're leaving the car here.
We're leaving the car here. There you go. Have a present. Have some old Japanese shit. There you go.
We're going to check in with it.
You know, we're going to check in with it periodically.
Yeah.
We've had a chat with Hayes and to go through what the plan is, and even being here for 5 minutes, I've thought to myself, I've already changed my mind. He's given me some insight into, do you want to do that? I think, actually, no, he's right.
Yeah.
That's what someone with experience knows. So if we can show a bit more noise, you've got a compressor fire up.
Yeah.
Let's get a grinder on. Anyway, so not the website. So that's it. We're gonna progress with it. It's gonna take some time.
Yeah.
Like
most good things.
Yeah.
Take time.
And we're gonna visit it maybe in a couple of months and just see how we're getting on and make some decisions on what.
We'll make a Christmas stop off, shall we? First of all.
Wouldn't that be just great?
Yeah. So and he would have done this bit here by
Yeah.
Christmas, because you would have made 30 more decisions and changed it 30 more times.
No, what I've said is I'm going to go with his recommendation because it's always better than what I think.
Well, yeah.
So there you
he's
go.
a professional, he knows what he's doing.
So yeah, we'll see.
Well, thanks as ever to Hayes for taking it on.
And thanks to Hayes and thanks to Sheppy Customs. I mean,
find them on Instagram, give them a follow. They do some good stuff. All right, well, we'll leave you to it because we got to get on.
We got to get on. We've got
stuff to do.
Yes. In minus 40 minutes. So.
No.
Come on,
we better do it. All right.
Brilliant.
Bye, that's fun.
Yeah. One piece.
And if you're going to do rolling burnouts, best in second, isn't it?
Oh yeah, third actually.
Third. Best do third. Yeah, then light the room up. That's the way you want to do it.
Oh man.
Well, thanks as ever, buddy.
Cheers, mate.
See you next time.
Let's do it.
Bye.
Fucking,
bye.
Yeah.
Now we get the shit old van.
Which you've left the light. If it starts, you left the lights on.
A little bit. What do you want to get hit?
Oh,
that's our way home.
Afterthought.
Bye.
5 minutes later.
You know we say how reliable Boris is? Can we let's just have a look, shall we?
Should I turn the ignition on?
Well, turn the ignition on at least, yeah. Right.
That's the temperature.
Hang on, you can probably see it without the light. Temperature's off the scale. We've done the old school trick of getting the heaters on full chat. And Boris.
Can you see me even in that light?
Yeah.
So I think it's thrown the alternator belt off, which then powers the water pump. So
it is hot.
It's freaking hot, isn't it? Thankfully, we're only about 2 miles from home because it could have happened.
There's nothing on the back of that.
No, the car's there, so it's a bit of luck we haven't got to go anywhere. Oh no, wait, we've got to be somewhere.
We can still be at the mill. The mill is up there.
But I'm in my work gear.
Well, that's your problem. I'm not.
Oh,
That's an Owen problem. I don't think that's a Nick problem. I could actually get out now
and still be there on time.
Walk to the venue and be there early, and have a cheeky beer.
Oh.
And you're going to be in your stupid shorts.
Should we have a look? See what's going on.
Well, let's have a look. You can't bottle falling out. Good. Hey, look, just call someone. Oh. Just call someone to help. Amazingly, that's actually on. That's actually working.
No one uses phone boxes, come on.
Alright. You don't need that,
Oh no, it's
no.
It's like old school overheating, steam and stuff.
There is steam. You know when someone says it's steaming, that usually means they're absolutely hammered, doesn't it? Why am I having throwbacks to your golf in Germany? That balled over as well.
Do you know what?
What?
The belt is still...
Ah, that's worrying, isn't it? It's there, but it's not...
It's there.
So you can get it back on.
It's there, that's the main thing.
I can see it over there.
Okay.
It's a nice sound of it boiling over, isn't it? Are you going to try and do it? The good thing is there's room around the engine, isn't there? Oh,
do you know the top speed runs we were doing? I think that's kind of...
Wow.
We got 87 on this occasion.
No, we didn't get 87.
I thought
We ain't in Mexico now, bruv. You got
Well, I thought
67. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. That's what happened.
Oh, yeah. I reckon...
Where is it bubbling over? I'd like to... I can hear it.
Well, it's just cooked it, so it's probably sprayed out of here.
Like that. It's a nice sound.
Oh, man.
A bit of ASMR.
Oh, you know what? Look.
That's your dodgy fix you did.
No, the alternator's come loose, geez.
You just button it back up again.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm going to try and do, innit?
We've got 13% battery on this.
Oh, man. Only on
And
the
look at
night.
this ratchet strap as well. Why do we do this? Why are we like this? We're so self-destructive, aren't we? We were ragging the absolute nuts off of Boris for no reason.
And for no reason other than entertainment, and that's it.
No, but not even filming it. So it's
No, just for fun.
Just for us.
Just for fun.
us. And now look. Honestly, we give this thing a hard time. We really do.
Well, bless her. Right, okay.
Is that fixed?
Yeah, well, it's...
No tools needed. Just one big tool.
just my hand.
Yeah.
Right, well, we'll have to do a little fixie on that.
With the belt on?
The belt's on. Fortunately, I'm lucky the belt...
The belt didn't just leave the engine and go, no, I'm done.
I think I've got...
An issue? Well, don't give away the passcode.
Yeah, or you might actually...
0000, whatever it is.
Here you go. Oi, oi!
Got
Doing
my
listing.
first toolkit.
Oh, look! Half
That's
inch!
pretty good. It's pretty good.
What good is half inch?
Well,
I can't
just
see.
one that gets close to it. I don't think it's that.
Maybe half inch though. Half inch.
12% battery.
Okay.
Is it? Is it that?
Well, it will do up enough for us to like get home. No, I think. Do you know what? Film that.
Well, I have. That took 5 minutes to fix. That is quite literally a 5-minute fix.
Well, it might get us. I need some water for it. I've got sparkling water.
That's no good for anything, is it?
What? Maybe we could treat it.
What, Evian?
Yeah.
Evian or
I'm going to put some water
What do you
in it.
normally drink? You drink Harrods, don't you? Is it Harrods? Harrogate.
The fizzy one. I can't remember.
The fizzy one.
Right, let's hope it doesn't detonate on my
Oh,
hand.
what are you doing? Terrible idea. That must be warm.
Ah.
Yeah.
Well, no, it wasn't the temperature. I snagged my...
Don't need that one. Why are you out here in your slippers and all that?
Hey.
Look at these bad boys.
I found them in the
These
cupboard.
sliders,
Do you know it was raining so
I hid
bad?
them in your
It was
cupboard.
raining. It was raining so bad yesterday. I realised I had a shoe in the bottom of my work shoes, and so I put trainers on, and they seem to be these. Which are,
I can't really talk. I'm wearing
frankly,
these.
they're terrible.
I've got like these Harlequin fucking things on.
Should I?
Should we
Come
just?
on, girl.
Oh, you're not, are you? Is this a good idea? Melt the camera, melt my hand. Which one will it do? Yes, mate.
Oh, she is hot
She's a
still.
dirty girl, isn't she?
She is hot. Steaming. Right,
If
we'll cut
anyone
there.
needs us-
We'll come back and hopefully we'll be with your dad in 5 minutes.
The next day.
And go. And roll. What have we got, Nick?
Well, Boris has made it back, believe it or not.
What have we got? An empty trailer.
Yeah.
And
it's
why? Because because as you it was dark, wasn't it, last night when we got back?
Very dark, very cold, and we were in a hurry.
Yeah, we had to go and pick Dad up, and
Yeah,
we had lots of faffing around to do. So basically, the car is at sheer speed. I got told off because I really want to tell people about it, and yeah. Anyway, so it's going a very special colour that we've carefully chosen, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's going to look amazing. And Hayes at sheer speed has already got stuck into it. He's like, well, we'll have this, and he asked me to replace the window rubbers and the door rubbers, which is something I expected it would need because they're 50 years old. However, I found out that they're not cheap, specialist stuff like that. So I'm going to spend a lot of money on something. You can't do half a job, can you?
No.
So anyway, I'm looking forward to that. We're going to have updates as we go. There's going to be a lot of stuff happening to it, and he's going to do all the repairs. He wants to do like a top-notch job on it. So we could have left the glass in and just pulled the rubbers back and painted up to that, but we want to do the whole job, get it done in one go. So
More to the point,
yes,
that actually made it back.
we had some dramas, didn't we? We had a couple of dramas, yeah.
Well, actually, so you managed to tighten up the alternator.
It was only I haven't touched it.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, at the
So
time.
in the video, you
at the time,
night. Yeah.
you may have seen. At the time, the I think the bracket for the alternator
Had come
backed
loose,
off,
and then the belt
threw
flung.
the belt off. Yeah, so it started to overheat.
Quite
and
a quick fix, really.
well, considering 10 minutes will we stop for?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Anyway, so it's so I haven't even touched it. I've got to get onto her and give her some. She needs some TLC.
Yeah, we do drive it hard.
So basically the bracket that the tensioner for the alternator had come undone and it thrown the belt off. But luckily the belt was still there. Put it back on. Managed to get back just about. So that's it. Have you seen what's on the roof of the TT?
I don't want to look.
Just have a look. Look.
Why is there a shell?
How does that even get there?
I don't know.
That's like pretty.
Yeah. Random
I mean, that
things.
shows how much we've been driving it. Like, look at the fungus as well.
Oh.
Anyway, we got off the point.
Yeah, anyway.
Datsun is away, going to be away for Christmas.
Yep,
Bosch, see that in the new year.
He reckons like February, potentially after break. But I'm okay with that. I just want the right job done. And we've got Pulsar Turbo. They've come in to help us with a new turbo for it.
More on that later.
Yeah, more on that later. And what else? HP tuners are going to get involved with the tuning of it.
Yeah.
So it won't
Again,
necessarily
more on that later.
make any more power, but I want it to be more efficient and more usable. And that is the plan. So there you go.
As ever, thanks so much for watching this video.
Like,
Comment.
share, subscribe, hit the bell. I'm not going to shout because
No.
everyone's at work here, minding their own business. They don't need that. And we're going to keep you updated on the project. We've got loads more stuff coming up. Oh, yeah, the MR2's coming along. I'm getting on with that this week, so a bit more progress on that. So there we go.
Okay, bye.
Ta-ra!
Switch that V6 for the EV, ride around my city. You should come ride with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip water like a fish, sip. Box water to the gillies, yeah. This a new way, this a takeover, do it.